Are you still watching videos without getting paid? I stared at the message on my screen, and it hit me like a bolt of lightning. The truth was, I had spent countless hours in front of my computer or phone, streaming videos, and never once earning a cent. But now, there was something intriguing in the air, a secret that promised to change it all. Let me tell you a secret, the message continued, as if reading my thoughts. Wazcher allows you to earn crypto while watching videos. My heart raced with excitement. Could this be the game changer I had been waiting for? Are you excited? I couldn't help but smile as I read those words. You bet I was excited. I eagerly welcomed myself to the world of Wazcher, a world where blockchain technology was about to rewrite the rules of the video streaming industry. The instructions for getting started were refreshingly simple. All I needed to do was create a free account by signing up with them. The system will effortlessly generate a crypto wallet. Then came the exciting part, it will activate an account with a membership NFT. It felt like receiving a golden ticket to a magical realm, and with it, it created your very own video channel. Now you are officially part of the Watch to Earn revolution. Wazcher's platform was a dream come true, and it consisted of 4 major elements, each designed to make your viewing experience not only rewarding but also seamless. 1. Rewarding system. The heart of Wazcher lay in the bonus token, ZRC. You could accumulate ZRC tokens based on the number of videos you watched and the time you spent on them. Creators, too, had a chance to earn ZRC tokens through their content's views and interactions. These tokens were like digital treasure, offering endless possibilities within the Wazcher ecosystem: interactions, gifting, discounts, channel subscriptions, and even access to online courses. I was particularly excited to discover that ZRC tokens could be converted into WZX tokens on the blockchain, creating a whole new world of opportunities. 2. Video platform. No more switching between different platforms to find the content I craved. Wazcher offered everything I needed in one place. From full-length movies to short films, live broadcasts, and even comprehensive online courses, it was all there at my fingertips. The promise of a high-quality and seamless user experience was music to my ears. 3. E-commerce system. Wazcher's unique and world-patented Watch and Buy technology was unlike anything anyone have ever seen. Seamlessly integrating products into videos, it meant you could shop without leaving the video screen. Buying products inside of video is something incredible. And the best part? You could share your Watch to Buy video through multiple social media platforms, which would not only help me but also encourage manufacturers to collaborate more. 4th, blockchain technology. The idea of owning an NFT that represented your channel was fascinating. These authorized NFTs ensured the security and authenticity of my channel data on the blockchain. Plus, as my channel grew, so did the value of my NFT, a thought that excited me immensely. Wazcher's main token WZX will help the video platform connect with the rest of the crypto world. It was a chance to turn my passion into a profitable endeavor. Wazcher also boasted collaborations with renowned creators, ensuring that regardless of my interests, be it movies, learning, live streaming, or simply relaxation, I'd find fulfillment and purpose in my entertainment. Entertainment equals cryptocurrency, I whispered to myself, fully understanding the implications. Now, as I looked at my screen, I knew that I was not just a passive viewer anymore. I was the creator, the controller, and the promoter of the Wazcher Platform, a platform designed to fulfill my desires. Join us and let us change the world together through Wazcher.